head into the water while I'm filming the sunset in hyperlapse. I'm gonna look for Tazi. Tazi! Game. Good job. Very good, baby. It's our 4th day here. And we're only here for 2 weeks, so 10 more days. Although I'm thinking of extending another week. Last year we were here for 3 weeks before we went back to Bacolod, Iloilo, and Dumaguete, and then Oslo. So we'll see if we want to stay here for an additional week. So 3 weeks total. Can we?
Yes.
Because we want to live like locals. This is really like, Boracay is really like our second home. Actually, pag nasa Boracay kami, mas lumalabas pa kami. Sa Oslo na